Uh, Today we are discussing the topic render props in React.js. What is render props? So basically, you will be asked in interview question how to render a props and what is render props in React.js. So we are using the React TypeScript on the stackbliss.com to show the demo for the React props. Okay, so we are just creating a simple React application and in which we have a class, okay, app, and which are printing the hello React. Okay, so what is React props? Sorry, render props. Basically, render props is that in a scenario, when a scenario arises like you where you want to create a common component and the data from that component will be used to the child component. So in that case, we will use the render props. But the scenario is that this can be done without the render props. The simple that the child parent data is used in the child. But the scenario is that whenever you want to create a common parent and you have multiple childs, different childs, which uses the same parents data. So for that you can create a common uh, component and you can replace the multiple different types of child whichever you want in your project anytime. Okay, so for that case you have to create the render props. Okay, so the I will start with an example. Let's suppose you have a parent component called the calculator, and in which we have input for the uh, conversion from feet to inch and feet to meter. So basically, we will create a common component called feet in which we will create an input and we will get the input in feet from the user. Okay, and now what we want that we will use this feet value entered by the user into the another child component which will calculate the meter. Okay, so this will be the one scenario, and let's suppose we want to convert from feet to inch as well. So for that we have separate component which converts the feet input to inches. Okay, so we have two child, two different child. One is for to convert from feet to meter and another is to feet to inch. And in both, and the both child will use the parent data, means feet entered by the user. So we will just create that. Okay, so in this case we will just what we will do. So basically we are using the render props technique to create that one. Okay, so we will just what we will do, we will just create an input here. We will create a component here called with all interface and some app state. We will just create another component called feed. Okay, so we will just replace this name. Okay, so to feed. So this is the feed component which has feed props and feed state. So basically we will take the input in feed. So that will be, let's suppose anytime any this type. Okay, and any and let's suppose default value is 0. Okay, and we don't need this one feed and WT feed. Okay, and this will be the this dot state dot feed. So I will just print this one, and before that I will take the input from the user. So I have input type dot text, and on this change event we will on change we will just update the state this dot set state e dot target dot value. Okay, and e will be the element. Okay, so what will be the output? That whatever we will type in the input, we will get in this feed, and we will print that this is entered by the user. Okay, now we call this feed into this. So let's suppose feed. Okay, so you can see if we'll enter this something here, so entered feed value will be this. So what I will want, I have just created the feed component, and we want to use this feed value in another component. So another component is what which will convert feet to inch, let's suppose. Okay, so I am just creating another child component for this, which will be the inch. Let's suppose inch. We are creating the inch component, feet to inch. Okay, so the variable will be the inch, state variable will be the inch, and we don't need this one. Okay, so we will print inch. Okay, so what will be the output is that we don't need inch as well here. Okay, so we will receive the props from the parent. So props dot, let's suppose feet will be the prop. Okay, and into 12 it will print the converted inch. Okay, so we will get the feet from here, feet, let's suppose any. Okay, so now what we will have to do, we will call this child component using the parent data, which will print the feet here. Okay, okay, now we will create the another component which converts the feet into meter. So similarly we will create the meter, meter. Okay, so in this case we will convert the feet into meter. So the value will be 0.3048 into feet. Okay, so it will convert into the meter. Now how will we use the render props concept here? Okay, so when we call the feet here, okay, so when we call the feet here, we will just write that render here, whatever the child you want to use. This time we are using, let's suppose feet to inch, and feet will be the prop where we will pass the feet, and feet will be the ft. Okay, so what you will see that we will just write this render. Okay, now we will have to define this in the fit, that render is any props. Okay, so what you see that we have entered the we have created the child inside the feet. We have created the inch, and we have created the parent feet, but it is not printing on the UI. So for that we have to use the render property for in the feet. What will be the feet like this? You can enter this dot props dot this dot props dot render, and you will pass the value, whatever the value I want to feed. Okay, so now you can see the output is printed here, the inch. So you can see if you print the convert want to calculate, see I have entered the value feed 2 and it shows the output inch. In inch means 24 inch, 2 feet equal to 24 inch. So you saw that we have just created the common feet, and we have created the another calculator method inside this inch, and it just created. Now similarly if you want this feet and want to convert into the meter. So for that we will write here meter. Okay, so you see that we have the common feed, and using that rendered props, we are just calculating the meter. So here if we write something in feet, let's suppose 2 feet. 2 feet equal to 0.6 meter. 3 feet equal to approx 1 meter. Okay, so you can see that we have used the we have created the common component, class component, and we have created the two different child component, and we are using the same common component with the two child component, because these two child component are using the parents data, which are exposed using this dot props dot render. And whatever the, if you want to send whole state object here, you can write like this, otherwise you can mention whatever you want to send. Okay, so this is the render props concept in React.js. Okay, so we have just created the three 1 meter. Meter only calculates the feet into meter. Okay, and inch only calculates. So basically this is the simple example where we have just created the calculator. In original project scenario, you may have different scenario and different logics and multiple logics there inside your child components using the parent data. So in that case you will need you will get benefit from this render props. Okay, thank you for watching.